Hello everyone, I'll be showing you all how to make the most authentic pallet coasters you've ever seen. You can see here, no popsicle sticks, no nonsense like that. These are authentic. I made them from recycled pallet wood. As you can see, this one right here. This one I did make with popsicle sticks, bought from Walmart just to show you the difference. You know, they look a little generic. Well, at least to me they do. This one right here, it's a little beat up because I was trying to do different things with it. I used actual nails, as you can see right there. Didn't work out too well. I'm still trying to find the right size nails. And right here, we have this other pallet I made with hardwood. Maybe you can see the difference in color. I'm not sure what type of wood this was, but it's really hard. It's comparison to this one, compared to this one. As you can see, I do the notches like that. And I'll be showing you all how to make these. I can confidently say that these are the best anybody makes anywhere on YouTube. Here's a sample of some of the boards and stuff that I use. You can see, oops, don't want my scratchers. I'm addicted to those. Oh, these are the nails I was using. We gotta find smaller ones. And these are the pieces I use. I will show you all how to make these. Oops, I was trying to brand these. And I try to make them authentic as I can. You see here, you see that notch, or what do you call those? I don't know, I forgot what you call those things that look like eyes on trees. Get off. Here's another one right there. You see that? I like that. Makes it look more authentic. So yeah, I know it's a bit of a mess right here, but I'm gonna show you all how to do these. These are pretty popular. So yeah, so just stay tuned, and I'll be uploading soon. Look at that, pallets for my phone. Like, where is my phone? Right there. There we go. You can watch a video right there. Nice. All right. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. And you know what to do.